The Delta switch and outlet product range from Siemens. A perfect combination of design and functionality. See for yourself. The Delta product range from Siemens offers you numerous advantages in terms of design and function. The unique plug-in system between insert and rocker makes installation simple and safe. The rocker is snapped into the frame, forming one unit. The gap dimensions between rocker and frame always remain constant, even when faced with difficult wall mounting conditions. The special design of the switch lever guidance means that you can compensate for less than ideally positioned inserts and over large wall spacings. This means the rocker is always positioned exactly in the frame, and the appearance is perfect in every situation. Even extreme cases, such as inserts at differing depths and uneven wall surfaces, can be easily compensated for, without influencing the operability of the switch. But you do not have to sacrifice anything in terms of design. It is always perfect. In addition to the unique construction, Delta products also offer invaluable advantages in terms of installation. To ensure all-round shock hazard protection, the live parts are covered with molded plastic, for high levels of protection even when the design parts are removed, for instance for painting or wallpapering. The markings and labels on the components help you in your work. The insulation stripping length is always plainly visible on the stirrup and bottom of the base, and applies to all Delta inserts. A circuit diagram and the item number of the respective insert can be found on the back of the base with the correctly positioned terminal markings. This helps to avoid errors and saves you and your customer valuable time. Connecting conductors is quick and easy. Just plug in the solid conductors into the multiple wire cable entries. The double terminals ensure the connection is quick and neat. It is just as easy to release the terminals again as it is to connect them. Moderate force is sufficient to activate the ergonomically designed release levers and to release the conductors without the risk of injury. The compact inserts by Siemens offer an essential advantage in terms of installation. The compact design ensures there is sufficient room for the wire conductors. If the switch boxes lie deeper than usual, you can use our extension claws, which can be retrofitted. They enable you to fix the box in place securely, even when structural changes are made, for example when tiling. Not only that, they are simply clipped on, without you having to remove the usual claws. Thanks to the innovative Combi Torx screw, the screwdriver blade is prevented from slipping. The metric thread makes low torques possible and secure attachment of the insert, even when it is mounted manually with a screwdriver. Stripping the thread is almost impossible. Conversion and retrofitting are made particularly easy for you with the Delta switch and outlet series from Siemens. The modular construction means, for example, that lighting and status displays can be attached at any time, without having to remove the insert. Since these retrofitting elements can be plugged in from the front, they can even be attached during operation. Even after lighting has been installed, the contacts are still easily accessible to allow use of a voltage tester. It is not necessary to remove the lamps. Due to the compact construction of the inserts, the expansion modules for outlets easily fit in the standard 40mm boxes. It is not necessary to install a larger box. This makes conversion easy and quick. Safety in and around the house should be the most important aspect when choosing components for electrical installations. For example, in order to increase the degree of safety in the bathroom simply and effectively, the Delta switch and outlet product ranges from the I system, as well as the Delta style product range, can be upgraded to degree of protection IP44. All that is needed for this is a 3-part set of seals that is placed on and between the individual components already there. The design surface remains the same throughout. The Delta line and Delta style product ranges can also be very simply upgraded to a higher safety level outdoors. Conversion is very easy due to the surface mounting enclosure in up to triple design. Here too, everything is integrated into the existing design. Delta switches and outlets. Design in perfection.